Hey, it's Erin here from TechGadgetsCanada.com. First off, thanks for clicking on my video. I was recently asked a question by a YouTube viewer and I thought the answer might prove helpful to a lot of you out there, so I decided to post it here on the channel. The question is about whether your Apple devices like the Apple iPhone or iPad, and specifically the Apple Music service, compare and play nicely with Amazon's Echo devices like the Echo Dot, Echo Show, and more. The short answer to the question, can I change the default music service on Amazon Alexa devices, is yes. You can play Apple Music on an Alexa device in a couple of different ways, using Bluetooth from your phone to the speaker, or by linking Alexa to Apple Music, then by asking Alexa to play what you want, and she'll pull that from the Apple Music library. Let's take a look at how to do it. We'll start with how to use Bluetooth to play Apple Music on an Amazon Alexa device. First, make sure the Bluetooth is on your iPhone. Next, put your Alexa device into pairing mode, and you can do this by saying, "Hey, A-Lady, pair." You should hear her say, "Searching." Now go to your iPhone's Bluetooth menu and look for the Amazon device. Touch it to connect, and then give it a sec. After you do this once, by the way, your phone will remember your Alexa device, and the next time you won't have to go through this, and you can just connect the phone straight up. Next, load up your music app and hit play. This hack should work with pretty much all of the iPhones and all of the Amazon Echo devices out there. What if you don't want to fuss with your phone and you just want to ask A-Lady to play music?
Play New Orleans is Sinkin' by the Tragically Hip.
New Orleans is Sinking by the Tragically Hip from Apple Music.
Here's how to use your voice to play Apple Music on an Amazon Alexa device. You'll essentially need to change Alexa's default music settings, and here's how to do that. Go into the Alexa app and then select More on the bottom right. Choose Settings, then choose Music and Podcasts, and you may have to scroll down a bit to get to it. Pick Default Services, then you can select which services Alexa should default to when pulling music or podcasts. You may need to link your Apple Music account to Alexa before you can do this. This will involve essentially signing into your Apple Music account using the Alexa app, and she'll walk you through how to do that. So have your Apple ID info handy. You'll also see More and Link New Service if you want to go ahead and do this first. You can also, by the way, link and make other music services the default setting if you want to. A-Lady has support for Spotify, TuneIn, SiriusXM, Deezer, Vivo, and more. But that is how to use your Apple Music or podcasts with an Amazon Alexa device like an Echo. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, please hit that like button and do consider becoming a subscriber. Both those things help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there gets to watch, enjoy, and learn from. You can read, reference, or share these instructions by going to TechGadgetsCanada.com. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always catch me through Facebook at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada. Account to Alexa before you can do this. This will involve. So I decided to post it here on the channel. I thought the answer would prove. So I decided